Okay, we're gonna do a little update on the Londoner. A little bit fuzzy. It's because of the humidity. The humidity is so high. But now you can see a little bit of the through that fog. I think that humidity will kind of lower down a little bit. This is the Cotai strip. Over there is Venetian. Also kind of fuzzy. And it's clearing up slowly. And what we're gonna do today, there's a City of Dreams. That's Cotai, I believe it's called. It's like an apartment building for anybody can have an apartment there overlooking the Cotai strip. But yeah, so our focus, there's Morpheus right there. City of Dreams is this one, Londoner. I know y'all want to see all the updates on Londoner, and we're gonna get to it right now. There was a lot of construction all the way through here. Looks like a lot of that construction is still over there, that whole tower over there. And there's a little bit here, and there's a lot more on the other side, which we can't see from this angle. But that's the overall view of Londoner, and we're gonna get right into it. So, so stay tuned. See for a good thumbnail. I guess that's the thumbnail right there, maybe. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so before we get started with Londoner, you can see all this construction over here. So there's a ton more construction on this side. We're basically on the other side of the same building that we started at. And you can also see the other side of the Cotai strip. You can see Parisian. And you can see something called the Shops, Four Seasons. And that's the Venetian over there. So okay, so now we're gonna go inside the Londoner and we'll show you the shops and kind of whatever we can see in there as of June 19th. Okay. So we're gonna be coming into the London subway. Hola burger buds, eh? Mind the gap. And we're out of the train and we're gonna go use the Londoner phone booth. The station London Bridge, eh? Churchill's, there's a candy shop and also kind of a restaurant. So we're in between Londoner and Venetian, and we're you can see out there some of the stuff. And as you can see, I filmed earlier. I filmed in the daytime, so I got a couple different ones. So this one is a nighttime, but it's still the same place, same day, about an hour later or something like that. I'm just gonna walk around a little bit in the Londoner, Macau, and there's a Londoner. Show you what we can see. So there's Abbey Road, Londoner, right there. And it looks like it's a little bit quiet. So I think what we're gonna do is I think we're gonna go down and just kind of show you what's around here. Got some more phone booths. Londoner phone booths. And we're gonna head on down this way. Now you can see some of the decor. Okay, so we're gonna kind of head, let's see what we can see. This was a Sands, so now it's been changed quite a bit. So before you can see kind of these different things, but now they got more like British things. And they're still definitely doing more construction, so you're gonna probably see more stuff. Let's just see. I think that before that was a part of the subway, I think. But that's not really that interesting compared to some of the other ones, so we're gonna go down a little bit further. David Beckham. Nothing says British like David Beckham. Except for maybe British tea, I guess. Okay. So you can kind of see some of these walls already. This is pretty photogenic today. It's cool. I saw a lot of people taking that photograph today. I really noticed it so much on other days. Queen Elizabeth II. Okay. And I've definitely filmed in other parts of Londoner. So I think today what I'm going to do, see if I can go outside and just film from the outside and just kind of see what they're doing out there. It'll either be interesting or not so interesting. We'll see. Churchill's. That way every time I film I'm doing something a little bit different every time, because I don't want to explore the entire casino, but I can definitely go into a little bit of it. I think this goes out to the taxis, I guess. Okay. So this is what this looks like. Okay, so we're gonna head on out to that statue over there. Or the best way to do it. Let's go down this way. That's the walkway that we started at right there. So that walkway connects into the Phoenician and Parisian. So we're gonna head down this way a little bit. It's hot and humid out. Parisian in the distance. Okay. Got a lion here. So now we can kind of see more. Okay, this is just one giant taxi stand right here. And that's that walkway right there. And I guess that comes out to a fountain right there, so okay. And then if you walk out into that way right there, there's still some construction, so they actually end up forced out into the street a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna head back in. Okay, so I guess we'll just end it right there. Okay, it's something I didn't film before because I didn't see it before. There's a gift shop now in Londoner. I don't know how long it's been in here, but it's like they got lots of Londoner casino specific gifts. Okay, so that's something to add, something a little bit different. And now we're just back in the Londoner. Got those giant lanterns like that right there. Okay, so that's a little bit more of the Londoner. I think I'll keep the camera with me a little bit more. Then we're gonna go a little bit towards the left. Which is that. Maybe we might go up actually. I think we're gonna go up. I'll bring the camera with me because there's a little bit of stuff up there too. And you can see a little bit more of a view of things. The British elevator for one. James Bond lived here, Ian Fleming. Okay. I think Bundy Spa. Alright. So yeah, I can see basically there's like a little bit more of a mall area. So I'll just kind of show you a little bit more and then we're going to turn it off briefly. Huh. Something a little bit new. Excuse me. The new part is there used to be a wall right at the end where these soldiers are at. So I'm gonna go by the soldiers. And geez. Oh, I'm sneezing. So there's the soldiers right there. Yeah, and it used to be now they're a little bit more open. And I guess this is gonna be, this was all closed before. I guess because they didn't want anybody to go up there. But now that's open more. Okay, so we're gonna end this in this space right here, Zara. Okay.